Hey there, this is Kaylee here to talk to you about the review process on Ashore from A all the way to E. When sending a proof, all you need to do is hit Create a Proof. From here, you can upload as many files as you would like. You can also use Ashore's Capture Web Page feature by entering a URL. Ashore will then take screenshots of that web page at a couple of different pixel widths. Once you've added all the files you'd like, you can set a deadline, totally optional, as well as adding tags to organize your proof archive by things like customer or project. You also have a couple of different proof options that you can toggle on and off, including the ability to allow your approvers to download files, approve the files within a proof individually rather than as a whole, view all comments made on a proof by themselves and other approvers, and allow approvers to approve with changes. What this will do is add a third decision in between approved and not approved called Approve with Changes. Once you've added all of your files, checked out your proof options, all you need to do is hit Create a Proof. At this point, Ashore will generate an automatic review link that you can send your approvers through text, Slack, or email. As well, at this point, you can also add a workflow to your proof. In this example, I'll use the review link to show you what the review screen will look like from your approver's end. When your approvers use a review link, they'll have to identify themselves. We offer 3 different types of comment tools, including single-clicked comment, draw a rectangle, or draw an arrow. Your approvers can also use our tools to zoom in and out, as well as page through multi-page PDFs. Once your approvers have finished commenting, they can make a decision on the proof, either approved, not approved, or if you've toggled that option, approve with changes. Your approvers may see your checklist if you've created one. At this point, they need to acknowledge each of the custom requirements on your approval checklist prior to finalizing their approval decision. Once they've submitted their approval, you and any of the other users BCC'd on this proof will receive an update to the proof status. On your end, after you create a proof, you'll be able to go to the proof archive, choose a proof, and hit View to view the proof timeline. From here, you'll see an overview of all of the information about a proof, including the number of files within it, the due date, who owns the proof, and any tags you've added. As well on this page, you'll also find the review link, which you can then send to your approvers. You can also send a new version, which will be stacked on any previous versions that you've sent. You can also view all of the details on a consolidated review screen by hitting View Proof. Need to send a message to all of your approvers? Hit Send Message to send an email to all current approvers. You can also use the Add Note feature to add an internal memo to your timeline. Down at the bottom left, you may see some familiar proofing options. On the upper right of the proof timeline page, you'll find all of the approval stages for this proof. If you'd like to edit them, you can hit Edit Workflow. If you'd like to view the current status of all the approvers on a specific stage, all you need to do is hit View Details for that specific stage. The last thing on the proof timeline is, of course, the timeline. This timeline includes every action taken on a proof, whether it's being sent, a new version being sent, your approvers viewing, or making decisions on a proof. Each of these actions will be helpfully timestamped for your audit needs. That's the complete approval and review process in Ashore. Check out the rest of our videos for more information.